Welcome back to Quiz Terrain, home of brain-boosting quizzes. Get ready to power up your mind with today's medical professions quiz. You'll face a mix of easy, medium, and hard questions. Stay sharp and think fast. Are you ready? Hit the like button. Let's begin. Starting with the easy level. What is a brain doctor called? A. Neurologist. B. Cardiologist. C. Dermatologist. Great start! It is a neurologist. Which doctor specializes in treating children? A. Geriatrician. B. Oncologist. C. Pediatrician. You got it right! It is a pediatrician. What is a skin doctor called? A. Urologist. B. Dermatologist. C. Radiologist. Of course, it is a dermatologist. What is a teeth and mouth doctor called? A. Dentist. B. Podiatrist. C. Optometrist. Nice one. It is a dentist. What is a heart doctor called? A. Neurologist. B. Orthopedist. C. Cardiologist. Correct! It is a cardiologist. Which doctor treats animals? A. Pediatrician. B. Veterinarian. C. Obstetrician. You nailed it! It is a veterinarian. Which doctor treats eye and vision problems? A. Ophthalmologist. B. Audiologist. C. Hematologist. Spot on. It is an ophthalmologist. Which doctor performs surgeries? A. Psychologist. B. Pharmacist. C. Surgeon. Yes, indeed. It is a surgeon. What is a bone and joint doctor called? A. Cardiologist. B. Orthopedist. C. Gynecologist. Good job! It is an orthopedist. Which doctor uses X-rays and MRIs for diagnosis? A. Radiologist. B. Anesthesiologist. C. Pathologist. Excellent! It is a radiologist. Which doctor treats cancer? A. Podiatrist. B. Rheumatologist. C. Oncologist. That is correct. It is an oncologist. Which doctor treats mental health problems? A. Surgeon. B. Psychiatrist. C. Dentist. Well done! It is a psychiatrist. Which doctor cares for pregnancy and delivers babies? A. Obstetrician. B. Pediatrician. C. Orthodontist. You got it. It is an obstetrician. Which doctor provides emergency medical care? A. Dermatologist. B. Plastic surgeon. C. ER doctor. Right again. It is an ER doctor. Which doctor specializes in treating feet and ankles? A. Chiropractor. B. Podiatrist. C. Neurologist. Great work! It is a podiatrist. Moving on to the medium level. Which doctor treats stomach and digestive problems? A. Gastroenterologist. B. Endocrinologist. C. Pulmonologist. Nice job! It is a gastroenterologist. Which doctor treats hormone disorders? A. Hematologist. B. Nephrologist. C. Endocrinologist. You are doing great. It is an endocrinologist. What is a kidney doctor called? A. Hepatologist. B. Nephrologist. C. Urologist. Keep it up. It is a nephrologist. Which doctor treats ear, nose, and throat problems? A. Otolaryngologist. B. Ophthalmologist. C. Audiologist. Correct. It is an otolaryngologist. Which doctor specializes in elderly patients? A. Pediatrician. B. Obstetrician. C. Geriatrician. Let's keep going. It is a geriatrician. Which doctor manages anesthesia during surgery? A. Radiologist. B. Anesthesiologist. C. Surgeon. It is an anesthesiologist. I hope you didn't miss that. Which doctor treats urinary system problems? A. Urologist. B. Proctologist. C. Gynecologist. Spot on! It is a urologist. Which doctor treats lung and breathing problems? A. Cardiologist. B. Immunologist. C. Pulmonologist. It is a pulmonologist. Did that trick you? Which doctor treats allergies? A. Dermatologist. B. Allergist. C. Infectious disease specialist. Nice job! It is an allergist. Which doctor specializes in the care of newborn infants? A. Neonatologist. B. Pediatrician. C. Embryologist. That is correct. It is a neonatologist. Which doctor treats blood diseases? A. Phlebotomist. B. Oncologist. C. Hematologist. It is a hematologist. Easy one here. Which doctor focuses on female reproductive health? A. Obstetrician. B. Gynecologist. C. Urologist. It is a gynecologist. You can't miss this one. Which doctor treats joint, muscle, and autoimmune diseases? A. Rheumatologist. B. Orthopedist. C. Chiropractor. Answer: rheumatologist. Which doctor analyzes blood and tissue tests in labs? A. Toxicologist. B. Hematologist. C. Pathologist. Correct. It is a pathologist. Which doctor treats speech and communication problems? A. Audiologist. B. Speech pathologist. C. Psychologist. Great answer! It is a speech pathologist. Moving to the hard level. Which doctor specializes in the liver, gallbladder, and pancreas? A. Hepatologist. B. Gastroenterologist. C. Nephrologist. That is tricky. It is a hepatologist. Which doctor specializes in physical medicine and rehabilitation? A. Physiotherapist. B. Chiropractor. C. Physiatrist. The correct answer is a physiatrist. Which doctor studies the effects of poisons and chemicals? A. Pathologist. B. Toxicologist. C. Virologist. You are smart. It is a toxicologist. Which doctor studies patterns and causes of diseases in populations? A. Epidemiologist. B. Immunologist. C. Microbiologist. Excellent knowledge. It is an epidemiologist. Which professional specializes in hearing and balance disorders? A. Otolaryngologist. B. Speech therapist. C. Audiologist. That is right. It is an audiologist. Which doctor specializes in disorders of the rectum, anus, and colon? A. Urologist. B. Proctologist. C. Gastroenterologist. Well done! It is a proctologist. Which surgeon treats conditions of the veins and arteries? A. Vascular surgeon. B. Neurosurgeon. C. Thoracic surgeon. It is a vascular surgeon. Which doctor determines the cause of death by examining bodies? A. Coroner. B. Mortician. C. Forensic pathologist. Good job. It is a forensic pathologist. Which dental specialist treats gum disease? A. Orthodontist. B. Periodontist. C. Endodontist. That is a tough one. It is a periodontist. Which doctor specializes in sleep disorders? A. Pulmonologist. B. Neurologist. C. Somnologist. The correct answer is a somnologist. Which surgeon treats defects and injuries of the face and jaw? A. Plastic surgeon. B. Maxillofacial surgeon. C. ENT specialist. Fantastic. It is a maxillofacial surgeon. Which dental specialist performs root canals? A. Endodontist. B. Prosthodontist. C. Maxillofacial surgeon. You nailed it! It is an endodontist. Which doctor diagnoses and treats genetic disorders? A. Geneticist. B. Embryologist. C. Neonatologist. Spot on. It is a geneticist. Which medical professional is trained specifically to draw blood? A. Hematologist. B. Pathologist. C. Phlebotomist. Almost done. It is a phlebotomist. Which doctor treats disorders of the immune system? A. Rheumatologist. B. Immunologist. C. Allergist. Final question correct. It is an immunologist. And that wraps up today's quiz on Quiz Terrain. How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments, hit like if you enjoyed the challenge, and subscribe for more brain-boosting quizzes. See you in the next one!